Hey Team Blossom, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Blossom and Jasmine, and today I'm showing you these Giuseppe inspired heels that I did. Both the shoes and the stones are from Amazon, and one of my subscribers, I love to talk to my subscribers. One of my subscribers reached out to me, and I guess people are just struggling with buying crystals. So just to make it super easy for my subscribers, I went ahead and tried something new. I haven't ever used a glass crystal before. I ordered from a Swarovski authorized dealer, but I said I'll try something new, and I think these shoes came out gorgeous. Um, I noticed that a lot of my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and you turn on notifications. They have special requests. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow my subscribers to do special requests, but what I do ask for is a donation via Cash App. So I'm going to include my Cash App logo, and the Cash App handle is Blossom and Jasmine. And you guys can basically donate towards whatever you want me to create, or if you like what I've been creating and just want to support me in general, I definitely appreciate your support. Sometimes people want to help you, but they just don't have a way to. So I'm giving you the option to be a blessing to me as I be a blessing to you. So these shoes will be worn to 2 events before the end of the year. And the first one is a gala called the Black Excellence Ball. It's in New York at the Capitol Ballroom. And then also the Milano de Rouge fashion show coming up in Philly. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to stop talking and